Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today we're back once again with a full tour of the ongoing reconstruction at Spotify Camp Nou. And as always, before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss any of our daily updates. We start today's tour at the north goal, where activity remains steady both inside and outside the structure. New deliveries of prefabricated seating elements have arrived, and several platforms and cranes are active in this zone. Workers continue adjusting anchor points and structural supports that will later hold the façade systems. While some areas may look unchanged at first glance, the ongoing fine-tuning of joints, brackets, and connection points shows that this sector is still very much in construction. The internal stair structures also remain busy. We now move along toward the lateral side of the stadium, which continues to be one of the most visually striking areas of the renovation. The ceramic louvers are steadily advancing across the façade, now reaching higher levels in multiple sections. Behind them, the steel substructure is clearly visible, rising floor by floor and defining the clean, modern lines of the future exterior. Numerous aerial platforms are active here, with teams preparing supports, painting surfaces, and aligning components to ensure everything is ready for the next phase of louver installation. This side of the stadium is rapidly becoming the reference point for what the new Camp Nou will ultimately look like. At ground level along the lateral side, the parking ramp area shows ongoing progress. Structural work is largely complete, while crews continue preparing sections for future concrete pours. Reinforcement bars, formwork, and safety barriers indicate that this area is entering its final construction stages. Large quantities of materials remain staged nearby, suggesting that work here will continue at a strong pace in the coming days. If you're enjoying these detailed updates, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss any future progress. We then make our way toward the south goal, where construction remains active across several fronts. Structural platforms and access routes are being shaped at ground level, while above, teams focus on preparing the façade supports that will soon carry the ceramic louvers. Although this sector is slightly behind the lateral side, progress is clearly accelerating. The curved outline of the stadium is becoming more defined, reinforcing the sense that multiple areas are now advancing in parallel. Next, we head inside toward Tribuna, one of the most technically demanding parts of the project. Here, interior work continues steadily, with crews reinforcing platforms, adjusting structural joints, and preparing spaces for the expanded stadium layout. One of the key highlights in this area remains the installation of the long escalator systems. With major sections already in place, every support, bracket, and structural element is part of a much larger plan, and day by day, the new Camp Nou continues to take shape. And that wraps up today's full tour from Spotify Camp Nou. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily update. Your support keeps MegaVerse Builds alive and growing. See you tomorrow with even more progress. Thanks for watching.